This is the Merrill HIDE 205 1.5 PVC cap for the Merrill HIDE Drent line. Now, a couple things about the cap. Looking at the top side of it, hopefully it'll focus on the camera. Might be a little hard. It's got the HIDE Drent marked up top, hand tied only, and then the install directional arrows as well as the removable directional arrows. Now going to the bottom side of the cap, got that little fiber washer O-ring right there inside of the cap. And we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions, starting with an overall outer diameter. We're going to go from the top of the cap. So it's going to be right at about 2 and just shy of a half, probably 2 3/8. And then the outer diameter here at the bottom side, it's going to be right at about 2 1/4. And then going inner diameter of the piece in the center, it's going to be right at 1 inch. And total height or thickness, it's going to be right at about just over 1/2 inch, about 5/8. And once again, this is the Merrill HIDE 205 1.5 PVC cap for the Merrill HIDE Drents.